Chapter 7. Let's explore the Scratch. Insight points. In this chapter, you will learn starting Scratch 3, different blocks of Scratch, making a sprite say something, changing the sprite's position, changing the pen shade, simple animation with Scratch, Scratch 3 interface, adding a new sprite, working with two sprites, setting the rotation style, painting a new backdrop. Hello Lavanya, what's up? I am just making my project of Scratch. Okay, Lavanya, do you know we can work with the sprites together in Scratch? Oh, really? Yes, even you can paint the background also. Come with me. I will show you how. Okay. Scratch is easy to learn and use. Scratch was designed by the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Media Lab's lifelong kindergarten group, led by Mitchell Resnick in 2003. A Scratch is a simple programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music and art. It is a computer application which you can use to give instructions that the computer understands. The sequence of instructions given to a computer is called a program. In Scratch, a program is saved as a project. You can simply drag and drop the blocks in the script area to create your code or scripts. That is why it is often referred to as block-based coding. Starting Scratch 3. To start Scratch, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Select Scratch 3. The Scratch window appears. Scratch 3 interface. The interface of Scratch includes the following. Sprite. Scratch projects are made up of objects. The most basic object in Scratch is the sprite. It is a small graphic character that performs actions in Scratch projects. There are many inbuilt sprites in Scratch. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Stage. It is the main working area where all of the actions take place by the sprite as per the given instructions. It displays your creation. You can see your stories, games and animations created by you. Code tab. Script is a set of stepwise instructions given to the sprite to do a specific task. Each instruction is also called a command. It consists of the blocks panel and blocks palette and allows you to write a script. Blocks panel. The block panel area lists the 9 categories of blocks: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables and my blocks. Related instructions are grouped together in a block. For example, all the movement related instructions are listed when we select the motion block. Blocks palette. The blocks palette contains a set of blocks that are used to program sprites and give actions to it. Each block is used to perform a specific task in a project. By connecting blocks with each other, just like a jigsaw puzzle, you can create scripts in Scratch. Costumes tab. It allows you to draw, import or edit images for a sprite. Here you find 2 images of the cat called costumes. These costumes enable you to change the appearance of the sprite while your program is running so that you can give it facial expressions and body movements. Sounds tab. It allows you to record or import sound files for a sprite to use. Script. A script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of at least 2 blocks. Scripts area. Scripts area is the place where you write the script for the sprite. Drag the instructions from the blocks palette and drop it in the scripts area to write a program. The blocks fit into each other as jigsaw puzzle blocks. Let us try to drag and drop to put the instructions in the scripts. 1. Select the command to be moved. 2. Drag the command to the scripts area. 3. Drop into the scripts area. View full screen. The View Full Screen button, also called Presentation button, is used to play your project in full screen mode. Sprites Info pane. It shows all the details of sprites and backdrops used in a project. You can add, delete, see the name and location, increase and decrease the size of a sprite. Similarly, you can add or change the backdrop. It consists of A. Sprite's name. This is how you can rename the sprite. B. X and Y coordinates. The position of the sprite is indicated by these coordinates on the stage. The horizontal line is labeled as x-axis and the vertical line is labeled as y-axis. C. Direction. It includes how the sprite will turn when it executes a move instruction. D. Size. You can change the size of the sprite. E. Show. It hides the sprite from the stage. F. Sprite list. Here are the characters and objects you've created, including the stage itself. Click the icons to edit each sprite individually. G. New Sprite buttons. There are 4 New Sprites buttons to add a sprite. They are: Choose a sprite. Using this option, you can pick one from Scratch's built-in library. Paint. Using this option, you can draw a new one. Surprise. Using this option, you can add any of the new sprite from the library randomly. Upload sprite. Using this option, you can upload an image you already have. H. Backdrop buttons. It consists of backdrop icon. The backdrop icons are used to change the stage background. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. They are: Choose a backdrop. Using this option, you can choose the backdrop from the Scratch library. Paint. Using this option, you can create a new backdrop window according to your requirements. It opens the Backdrops window editor. Surprise. Using this option, you can add any of the new backdrop from the library randomly. Upload a backdrop. Using this option, you can upload the required file for backdrop. I. Go button. It is the green flag, and when you click on it, it runs a Scratch program. Stop button. It is the red button which on clicking stops the running Scratch program. Add extension option. Scratch extensions are the extra set of blocks that can be added to the main Scratch page to extend the scope of the Scratch editor. New extensions can be added over time to improve the existing Scratch projects. Scratch extensions allow programmers to make the Scratch programs communicate with online resources and external hardware. There are a total of 11 extensions available in Scratch. Different blocks of Scratch. The different blocks of Scratch are as follows: Block category, function, motion. Motion blocks in Scratch are used to control the movement of sprites. These blocks are dark blue in color and have 18 blocks under them. Looks. Looks blocks in Scratch are used to control the appearance of the sprite. These blocks are purple in color and have 20 blocks under them. Sound. Sound blocks in Scratch are used to control the sound functions. These blocks are dark pink in color and have 9 blocks under them. Events. Events blocks in Scratch are used to manage the events which trigger the movement of the sprite. These blocks are yellow in color and have 8 blocks under them. Control. Control blocks in Scratch are used to control the scripts under some specific conditions. These blocks are umber in color and have 11 blocks under them. Sensing. Sensing blocks in Scratch are used to sense or detect different factors of a project. These blocks are light blue or cyan in color and have 18 blocks under them. Operators. Operators blocks in Scratch are used to perform mathematical operations and string handling. These blocks are green in color and have 18 blocks under them. Variables. Variables blocks in Scratch are used to report the value of a variable. These blocks are orange in color and have 5 blocks under them. There is a subcategory of blocks under variable blocks known as list blocks. List blocks are used to manipulate different values in Scratch. These blocks are dark red in color and have 12 blocks under them. So, in total there are 17 blocks that fall under the title of variables blocks in Scratch. My blocks. My blocks in Scratch is used to hold the procedure of selected sprites. These blocks are pink in color and have a Make a Block button using which customized blocks can be created. Adding a new sprite. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. But we can insert a new sprite. To add a new sprite, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Choose a Sprite button. 2. A window appears containing a variety of sprites. Select a sprite. For example, select Beetle. The sprite appears on the screen. Now, delete the existing sprite or default sprite. To delete it, follow these steps. 1. Select the default sprite in the sprite list. 2. Click on the icon present top right corner of the sprite. Making a sprite say something. A sprite can say a word or sentence in a Scratch project. You can make your sprite speak like a character in a comic strip. Let us make a project on it. 1. Click on the Looks block category in the Blocks menu. 2. Click and drag the Say Hello block on the Scripts area. 3. Click on the Control block category in the Blocks menu. 4. Click and drag the Wait 1 second on the Scripts area. 5. Again, click on the Looks block category in the Blocks menu. 6. Click and drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds on the Scripts area. 7. Type in the message, say how are you? For 2 seconds inside the block. 8. Now, drag the Say Hello block on the Scripts area. 9. Type in the message, I am fine. Fine, inside the block. 10. Click on any of the block to run the block stack. Wait 1 second. This block makes the sprite wait for a specified number of seconds before moving to the next block of the script. Say hello for 2 seconds. This block allows the sprite to say something for the specified number of seconds. Working with two sprites. Let us create a project with two sprites. 1. Create a scene given below and click on the Choose the Sprite option. 2. The Choose a Sprite galley appears. Double-click the sprite a bee from the People category. 3. Again, click on the Choose the Sprite option and add Ruby sprite from the People category of the Choose a Sprite galley. 4. Select the sprites one by one and start creating the block stack step by step as shown in figure. Changing the sprite's position. Look at this figure given alongside. Consider this as Scratch stage. What do you observe? The stage is divided into 4 squares by a horizontal line and a vertical line. They are also numbered. The Scratch is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. Everything is on a grid with 2 axes, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis. A horizontal line that marks left and right positions ranges from -240 farthest left to +240 farthest right. Y-axis. A vertical line that marks up and down positions ranges from 180 lowest to +180 highest. The default position of sprite is at the point where the x-axis and y-axis meet, called origin, x 0, y 0. As we move to the right from the origin, the x value increases from 0 to 240. As we move left from the origin, the x value changes from 0 to 240. Similarly, as we move up from the origin, the y value increases from 0 to 180. As we move down from the origin, the y value changes from 0 to 180. Let us create a project to change the sprite's position. Drag the following commands and observe the result. Blocks used in the project. Set x to 80. This block is used to set the x position of the sprite. Set y to 100. This block is used to set the y position of the sprite. Go to x, 110y, 60. This block is used to go to the specified position on the stage. Setting the rotation style. You can set the rotation style of the sprite by using the rotation style block present in the motion blocks category. Let us create a project. 1. Create a scene given below. 2. Select the costume 2. 3. Drag the following commands and observe the result. Changing the pen shade. As the sprite moves on the stage, pen block is used to draw a trail. Each pen color has different shades that vary from 0 to 100, lightest to the highest, i.e. O is the lightest and 1 is the highest shade. Let us create a project. 1. Create a scene given below. 2. Click on the Add Extension button and select the pen category. 3. Drag and drop the following blocks from the pen category. 4. Now select the motion category and drag the following blocks. 5. Now select the block from the control category and place it over the script. 6. Similarly, drag and drop the following blocks. Finally, click on any block and observe the result. Painting a new backdrop. To paint a new backdrop, follow these steps. 1. Move a mouse on the backdrop button and select Paint. 2. Use the available tools to design a backdrop. Simple animation with Scratch. 1. Create a scene given below. 2. Drag and drop the following blocks and observe the result.